Make it rain, Lincoln.
775 different little nozzles, and this really feels like rain.
Welcome back to What's Inside. I'm Lincoln in the stand, and today we are still stuck at our house.
We're safe at our house.
Yes, I mean, look at this beautiful day too.
We're so grateful that we were able to get into our house before this whole quarantine hit, because we can be out here with the water, with the sunshine, and make videos for you guys. And today's video is very interesting. You may not think it's interesting from the title and the thumbnail, but believe me, this is going to be the most interesting rain shower that you've ever seen.
Or shower, probably. Shower.
Probably shower, yeah. Inside of this box is a rain shower. This is made by Kohler. Kohler partnered with us for our house to put in faucets, to put in sinks, bathtubs, and showers. This right here is one of my two favorite things that they put in. The rain shower, and the other one is the bidet. The toilets. I love that you knew that before I even told you. As you can see from the sky where we live, we don't get a lot of clouds. And when you don't have a lot of clouds,
You don't get much rain.
or snow or any precipitation. We have put in one of the fanciest rain showers that exists, and it's inside of this box. And before we take whatever tools we need to it, come into our shower and check out
what it looks like in the master.
This shower has 775 different little nozzles on them, little droplets.
I didn't know that. That's it.
That's a lot, right? This entire shower is digital, meaning there is a computer upstairs that controls everything. I can control it with my app, I can control it with my voice, or I can come up to one of the two touch screens. I just push the start button on here, and then the rain starts falling.
That scared me. I'm so happy I wasn't right under that.
It starts off really slow because there's a water basin up above it, a giant basin that fills up with water, so that when the water does fall down, it's gravity that's pushing the water out of each one of these 775 holes, and this really feels like rain. Okay, my socks are wet. Once I'm done with the shower, I can turn it off, and all of the water that's stored in the basin that's meant for creating real rain just comes out and empties out. So I push stop. And there it goes, right in the center.
Wow.
It's just draining out the basin right now. The monsoon rains are over. It's just the remaining droplets. When we built this, we had to cut open the trusses and reinforce it to build a big enough spot inside of there for the rain basin that goes in there. Once we did that, I said, I've got to know what's inside of this thing. I need to see how it works. So Kohler was cool enough to send us an extra one that we can take apart and destroy and show everyone how it works.
It looked like there was a ton of water up there in the ceiling, but I don't know how much.
Like how big is it really? Let's go outside, let's get a sledgehammer, and let's take this thing and see what's inside of it.
So it's time, Kohler. Let's take a look at this rain shower. Okay, let's open this thing up. This would be the basin. This is the thing that we had to put. It's so windy all of a sudden. Why is that windy? Oh, no. Okay, don't throw plastic in the pool. All of a sudden this gust of wind comes right when we're filming. This is what goes up into the ceiling so it can hold it in there. It's gotta be pretty strong, because Lincoln likes to drop things.
I didn't actually drop
because
it.
when you fill it up with water, it's a lot of water in there. The water basin is pretty cool. This is where the water comes in right here. You can see that there's a water filter down inside of there.
That's fancy, a water filter for your shower.
And then where does it fill up? Oh yeah, it goes this way. Okay, so it hangs up this way. Lincoln, hold it up as if you're doing it. And then this is the other part.
This thing looks so cool with all the little holes in it.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
It feels so nice and squishy and like rubbery. Feel that. 775 of these.
I like how they're all spread out, like the different sizes of the water.
This is what it looks like, and then when you open it up, you can see that this entire area, the water comes in, it filters in, it actually goes inside of this section first.
Yeah.
And then it comes out. That's why the water seems to go down the center part the most. Like you can see the circle right there with a little bit of a seal. It fills up this entire section right here until it's gonna spill out.
Let's see if it floats.
Well, it will float.
Whoa. I'd expect the water to go through it though.
They're tiny. They're like the tiniest little rain holes. Make it rain, Lincoln. Make it rain, Lincoln. It doesn't need that much water for it to continuously rain because the holes are so small.
It's heavy at first. I'm surprised how much water could fill up in there. Look at that right now.
It's not even filling up. It's just sitting there in the pool. Lincoln is going to attempt to make it rain on my head without
having it all tip out of the basin onto me. This is how thumbnails are made.
Is that, you can't put that in the video?
Yeah, this is all in the video we're filming right now.
This is how thumbnails are made.
It really does feel like it's raining right now. Okay, real rain shower. You can actually use it in real life. Kohler, thank you for sending us the rain shower, and that's the real rain shower. If you
Yeah,
want to
it's pretty
feel
cool.
real rain inside of your shower, you can check this out. We'll put a link in the description to these guys.
Oh,
It's raining all over me. Thank you for watching our video with the rain shower. Hope you're enjoying your quarantine time. Get ready for a lot more videos. Oh, that's enough.
No. Oh.
I have my socks on. That feels weird. We're standing down the slide with clothes on. There's no water on it right now, but so slow without clothes on. Oh, it's like dirty water. Why is it so dirty? Oh, because there's dust on here. I thought it was just me. I promise the slide's usually a lot more fun.